Jewelry days. Whoops. Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm back again with some stunning jewelry pieces that I shopped from Myntra. Hope you'll enjoy watching this video, but before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. Now let's quickly dive into the video, shall we? Okay, so I have this amount of jewelry boxes to cover and let's start. I will also give you a demo, so let me quickly remove the earrings that I'm currently wearing. Okay, so the first one I'm going to talk about is, okay, by the way, this is mostly going to be a Rubens haul and there is only one product from Voila. The first one is going to be a necklace and this is how it is stored. Packaging is something that I'm a big fan of when it comes to Rubens. Like this is the jewelry, I will wear it, but I will just show you. So this came wrapped in a paper like this and some thermocol sheets were also there to protect the jewelry from any damage. So I am really happy with how they take care of their packaging. Okay, so I haven't taken the tag out. So this piece is a silver piece and this one retails for rupees 1890. You can see the tag right here. It's 1890 and this is a stunning, just look at this. This is a silver neck piece and you can pair it with any kurti, sari, and even it will look very smart with denims, even denim jackets. The S that is there at the back, I will show you again, is there to be adjusted, so you can adjust this. I will take this tag out. So this is how it looks like. Just see, this will look gorgeous. This has got a nice weight going, which indicates that this is good quality product. Just look at this beautiful neck piece, and this is the 1890 price is totally justified because the quality you get is absolutely worth it. It's heavy, it sits on your neck very nicely. You can adjust and make it look like a choker as well, or else you can drag it down and make it look like a necklace. So this is the first piece from Rubens. I will give you a close view of this. This is the S and these are all adjustable, so you can adjust this exactly as per your neck size. And if you look at the back, the quality of the work is very fine. There is no dent or any bad finishing as well, so the finishing is also so good. So this is the first purchase and the only necklace I have in this haul, and this is something like this. This is beautiful. I got a steal deal for this one because this 1890 product I got it at rupees 440. Yes, so this is even below 500 rupees. So I totally love this and can't wait to wear it in various occasions. I mean, I love it. Even for a casual lunch or a dinner with your friends, this one alone with a kurti, you are good to go. You don't need a lot of things to accessorize yourself. Moving on to another box from Rubens. This is a neck piece and the price for this one, the marked price is 2190. I will show you. All the prices are mentioned right here, which is a bit steep, I believe, because this doesn't feel like 2190. Nonetheless, that is how the marked price is given, and this is how the neck piece looks like. It's a dome shaped jhumka with women figures at the base. I will give you another snip. This will look beautiful, and it's like they are carrying matkis on their head. So this is how it looks like. It's oxidized, so it's not a very shiny one that you are going to get, but nonetheless It is a bit, I mean, semi-heavy. It's not super heavy, but it's not super light as well. Just look at this. It's a woman carrying a matki on her head. It's a beautiful one. It has got a decent weight as well. And they look beautiful. They can glam up any dress and any look. I will give you a close view of the quality as well so that you can see what I got. So this is how this looks like. It's a very, very pretty piece, and it has got a beautiful noise as well. Most of the jewelry pieces that I will show today are all actually silver and or oxidized based. So if you are into silvers, this haul is going to be something that you will love. Okay, so let me talk about the price point. The 2190 jhumkis I got for rupees 547. So yes, this is close to 500, 550 actually. But nonetheless, from 2190 to 547, it was a great deal. Okay, next up I have one box from Voila. This is something my husband gifted me on my birthday this year, one of the gifts actually. This one is a small dainty piece because I liked it, so he said okay fine, I'll give it to you. So I'll show you. So these are very tiny, sweet, cute jhumkis. This is how they look like. I will wear it and I'll show you as well. These are the type of temple jewelries and I wanted a small one, maybe for regular office going and all that when office starts. So because in office actually you can't wear super huge. When office start, I meant when we are going, like I am still having work from home, so yeah, this is something I can wear it on a regular basis to work. This is a cute one and it's not only silver, it has got elements of yellow and red in it as well. I like this small teeny tiny jhumki quite a lot. This one retails for rupees 449 and I guess we got it something close to 359. So I will give you another sneak peek and a close view of this jhumki. This is how it looks like. It's a very pretty regular wear kind of a product. Something I really, really loved. Moving on to another box, and this is from Rubens and Tokyo Talkies. Tokyo Talkies have, I guess, collaborated with them. And this is another piece that I have bought. Just like all Rubens packaging, it is housed like here. This is how the jewelry piece looks like, and this is priced at 950. This is at 950. And I remember getting a very, very steal deal for this one. This was what, 285 rupees, and for 285 you get a very, very good product. Just look at it. Just like since the pearl is so huge, it looks beautiful. So this is how it looks like. The huge pearl and the golden ring together, it looks very, very nice. And this is also something you can wear it to office for casual events and all. So yes, up close, this is how it looks like. This one was also a steal deal. Like I said, I got it at rupees 285. So totally in love with this one. Moving on to another piece of earring, and this one is a big one. This is also from Rubens, and this is housed like here. It's a dome shaped jhumka actually. This is a big jhumka. This became very popular over the internet. I see a lot of people wearing similar jewelry. This is heavy. It's not super, but it's not super heavy. And the noise, the sound is very beautiful. The chanak is very nice. If you are a fan of that, you are simply going to love this jhumka. But this is definitely not for people who enjoy very lightweight jewelry. This is not lightweight. It has got a decent amount of weight going. Just look at it. It's so stunning. I mean, this is party appropriate as well. You can wear it to specific occasions, marriage occasions, and birthday parties, or I don't know, I guess a lot of occasions you can wear it and rock it. It's beautiful, and the sound is just to die for if you are a fan of that. So I'll tell you about the pricing, because this one costs high as well. The marked price is rupees 1997, like it is mentioned, but I got it, haha, wait for it, I got it at rupees 399. So yes, 400 rupees. Immensely happy when I received it, because the images that I saw of this one doesn't justify the beauty of it. I don't know how much you are able to understand from the camera. This is a beauty. I mean, this is not super heavy, this is not super light, just in between, and I love it. So super happy with the purchase. The neck piece, this one, the dome one, I love everything actually, but yes, this one and the neck piece and the last one that I'm going to show you now are the ones that stood out most for me from my purchase. Of course, I love the small jhumki that my husband gave as well. That's very pretty. Lastly, I have a Kangan set, and this is also from Rubens. Like I said, it's a Rubens haul, I might say. So when I open it, you get these Kangan sets here. This is a set of 5 Kangan, and the quality is very good. You can look at it up close. It's very, very good quality. It is heavy. From the sound you can understand how good it is. If I wear it, this is how it will look like on the hands. You can wear it single as well. It will look just about beautiful. Show you. Single, it will look something like this. It's beautiful. You can wear it single, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, however you want it, and this will look good in this entire set as well. This one is, if I give you a close view, it has got beads which resemble matar dana. These are very beautiful, silver again, silver plated of course, and this retails for rupees 1300. However, I got this 5 set of kangans or churis, however you want to say it, at rupees 455. The most interesting and the funny part is, my order said that I'm going to get 4 pieces of bangle, and that is why I said 4 initially. But now that I see it, it has got 5 pieces, and I understand why 1 piece is extra, because this piece is defective. This is a single piece, and this is not properly round as well. I don't know whether you will be able to make it out. Let me put it next to another proper one, then you will understand. If you can see, it's not uniformly round, it's tapered here and there, and that is why precisely they have given me 5, I believe, so that I don't complain. I'm not, because if I put this inside this 5 lot or together, you won't be able to identify, or together you will be able to identify better. I don't know, but nonetheless I can get rid of the damaged one and use the other 4 like I was supposed to. I don't know why they gave me 5, because I paid for 4. That is what even my Myntra order list says, that it's a set of 4 bangles. Nonetheless, this was the last one, and I got a very good deal here as well. Quite happy with that. So I guess I have covered all the jewelry, and we have come to the end of this video. I hope you had fun watching all the jewelry pieces. Comment and let me know which of these pieces did you like. I will be linking all these jewelry links from Myntra in the description box below. In case you want to purchase those, you can check those out. And if you liked watching this video, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and before you leave this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it, so that you're notified for all my future uploads. And you can also follow me on my social media. All the details are there in the description box below and at the end of this video. So make sure you check it out. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.